Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today's video is all about foundations, or I would say moisturizing foundation. So I'm going to make 3 different videos where I have split the whole makeup layout. Like today I'm going to show you from moisturizer to foundation how to go about it, and I'm going to give you a demo and where I'm going to explain you how you should do it. So it's like a normal simple makeup class, I would say, or a tutorial, you can say, anything which is what is convenient for you, but I would call it as a class. So this I wanted to do since the longest time, but I was not getting time because you need to be really sure what you are talking or what you're saying and showing. So I hope you get some help, and this is basically for the people who are beginners and they are really seeing a lot of makeup on YouTube but don't know how to go about it, and when they follow those steps they still feel why her makeup turned out to be so amazing, why my makeup turned out to be so cakey. Because it happens a lot of time when we see big YouTubers doing their makeup is like flawless, and when you do the same makeup, your makeup is like tacky and all materialistic and it really sits onto your face. So how to go about it and how to achieve that perfectness. So this is all about that, to achieve the same kind of effect on your own face also when you see a lot of makeup tutorials. So enough of rambling. So I have done this in 3 parts. So today I'm going to share my moisturizing to foundation, what all happens in between, how to go about it. So I hope you loved watching this series, and do give a thumbs up if you really like it. So let's start and let's not talk too much. Okay girls, the first step for the foundation routine or the base is the moisturizing your skin. So I'm using my Innisfree pomegranate moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer, but my recommendation would be a hydrating one, then the drying one. So you have to massage well this moisturizer into your skin the way I'm doing, the way you do it, but you have to moisturize it really well before putting anything on your face. So just moisturize well and just dab everything, every inch of that moisturizer in your skin, and go down below your neck too, because your foundation goes till your neck. All set. Next we are jumping on to the second step, that is priming your skin. Now you need to have a good primer for your skin. The perfect primer for me is Colourpop Perfect Match Primer if I'm going with the heavy base on my skin. If you're combination too oily, go for a silicone based primer. Apply all over your face. Don't just put on restrictive areas, because you apply foundation all over your face, not only on your cheeks or only on your nose. You need to protect whole of your skin. So apply primer perfectly, blend in your skin and dab it down below your neck. After the primer is the third portion, is the foundation. Now foundation, choose your foundation as per your skin type. Just don't buy foundation since someone is recommending you. So we are going with L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, and there are 2 ways. Some people take the beauty blender, dip it directly in the foundation and apply, as you can see I'm doing. And there's another way also where you dot the foundation on your face and then blend in with your beauty blender. If you're not a beauty blender person, you can even go with a brush. So this is how I do it nowadays. I love beauty blender application, so I'm going ahead with beauty blender. So now after dotting, you can see I am blending my foundation in well, and you have to blend your foundation really well. Just see you don't miss any place, and don't forget your neck. So this is how we apply the foundation and we get a clear base. You really have to put very little foundation on your face and just blend. So girls, I hope you got some help and you really liked watching. I hope I did justice and explaining you things. So take care of yourself, and soon the part 2 and part 3 will be coming, where you will come to know the concealer, bronzing, contouring, blushing and highlighting. So stay tuned for that, and do let me know if you want me to do anything in specific, but yes, I'm coming up with some random ideas, important ideas which can help many. So that's it for today. So take care of yourself and bye bye.